Have my little helper there. You want to say hi, Isa?
Hi.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a fridge deep clean and organize video. And I'm really excited to do this video because my fridge really needs to be clean. And you know you're an adult when you get really excited about cleaning your fridge. When your fridge looks like mine and it's a complete disaster, how can you not be excited? First thing I'm going to do is show you all the things that I bought to be able to organize my fridge. And then I'm going to wash them and clean them, and then I'm going to take out everything from my fridge that I don't need. I'm going to throw it away, and I'm going to keep the things that I do, and I'm going to organize them, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. Alright, let's get cleaning! These are all the things that I bought to help clean my fridge, so I'll just start over here. These are all from the dollar store, so I got this butter dish because I find it looks fancy. Got these clear glass containers, one of the medium size and two of the big ones, and I think I'm going to use them for like fruits and vegetables so that we can see them. I also got these organizers to be able to put them up on my fridge, so one is a calendar and the other one's like a weekly organizer of the days, and it has like a list there that I thought I could use as a grocery list. And those are all from the dollar store too. Some fridge magnets because I do have some things on my fridge that I like to just post up and keep there. The other thing that I got is this turntable. You say you want to test it out, show them how it works? So I'm actually really excited about where I'm going to put that in the fridge. I got that from Amazon. I can link it down in my description box. And I also got this set from Amazon because I went to check Marshalls and I found it a little bit pricey. So I saw this set on Amazon. So this is what it comes with. Can we just comment for a second on the picture on the box here? How hydrated are these humans? They're all drinks. Wait, I think there's some oranges in the corner right there. Anyways, this is what this set comes with. It has an egg holder because I just found those look so cute and fancy in fridges. There's also a soda bin. There's two of the narrow fridge bins, two of the wide ones.
Oh my God.
Okay, great. These are the bins. This is what they look like. So these are the narrow ones. So there's two of these. This is the egg holder. This is the soda one, and these are the two large ones. So I actually like them. Okay, so we're going to wash everything. Ready, Seth?
Yeah.
And then we're going to dry it, and then I'll come back on here. Okay, so before we start, I wanted to just show you guys what my fridge looks like. I've had this thing for about like 5 years now, and I find we never use it. So let's open it up in here, and voila! There is my terrible looking fridge. It is just one giant mess right now. There is stuff everywhere. Quite a bit of things that I need to throw out. This is my lemon drawer because I have an obsession with lemon water. I have things in there that probably don't need to be there anymore. Basically, it's a disaster. And so I'm really looking forward to cleaning this out and seeing what it looks like.
Let's do this.
All right. Okay, so everything is washed and clean. Now I'm going to let that dry while I get everything out of my fridge. So let's get started. Come, let's take everything out of the fridge. Okay. There we go. We've gotten the fridge all clean. Actually, not all clean. We'll have to clean the whole thing. So now I'm going to wipe down every part of it and get it nice and sparkling. What I'm going to be using to clean it is just this Method All-Purpose French Lavender Cleaner.
Let's do it.
Okay, so that's everything. We have everything all clean and ready to go. And we're ready to start organizing. Are you ready to start organizing, Issa?
Yeah.
Oh well, 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 oh well.
And there we go. So now we can get it easily.
Oh well, 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 oh well. Oh well, 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 oh well. Oh well, 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 oh well.
Okay, so that's everything. I put everything back into my fridge. I have my little butter dish there. Yay. I have 2 extra eggs because we usually buy our eggs from Costco, so we have more than 12 eggs. So maybe I'll buy another one of those things. Just cooking stuff, the regular stuff. Here is the turntable, which I really like because I find it so much easier. I'm always pulling things out to try and get the things in the back, but this way I can reach everything without having to worry about it. And over there I have some fruits and veggies all cut up, my drinks, my eggs. I have my lemons and my clementines in there, which I find look really nice, and they're really easy to get to now. I have some avocados, some beans, and some broccoli there, so that's my veggie drawer. This is like all the dairy stuff we have. My kid is actually allergic to dairy, so this is all non-dairy dairy products, which we have quite a bit of, so butter and cheese and things like that. This is also all of our non-dairy snacks. So we have the soy pudding and the yogurts in there so that they're easy to grab and go. In this drawer, I put tomatoes, potatoes, and onions. So it's kind of like the cooking drawer, the things we use when we're cooking. This is just my bread and some extra mushrooms that I had. I figured I could put extra stuff in here when I need to. So that's about it. That's what it looks like overall. I'm pretty happy with it. It looks pretty nice and organized. And now I'm going to do the front of my fridge here, which I have not attended to yet. I have some drawings that my son made me when I was at grad school, so I'm going to keep those up, and I'm going to put up the new calendars, and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, so this is what I have afterwards. The other calendar doesn't have a magnet, so I'm going to have to see if I can find a magnet. So this is just kind of information on when garbage goes out, and then there's our calendar that we can write stuff for every day. You're putting a magnet on it? Yeah? That one says a to-do list, but I think I'm going to use it as a grocery list, and it has a little pencil attached here. So that's it. We did everything you said. Do you want to see the fridge? Did you see it? Gonna open it. Isn't that the best part of cleaning your fridge, when you like do something else and then you realize and you open it?
So clean now.
It looks so clean now?
Yeah.
So there we go. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye.